Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon. The defendant's concealment of boxes, continued. 58. Between Trump's May 23 meeting with Trump Attorney 1 and Trump Attorney 2 to discuss the May 11 subpoena, and June 2, when Trump Attorney 1 returned to the Mar-a-Lago Club to review the boxes in the storage room. Nauta removed, at Trump's direction, a total of approximately 64 boxes from the storage room and brought them to Trump's residence, as set forth below. A. On May 24, 2022, between 5:30 p.m. and 5:38 p.m., Nauta removed 3 boxes from the storage room 22. B. On May 30, 2022, at 9:08 a.m., Trump and Nauta spoke by phone for approximately 30 seconds. Between 10:02 a.m. and 11:51 a.m., Nauta removed a total of approximately 50 boxes from the storage room. C. On May 30, 2022, at 12:33 p.m., a Trump family member texted Nauta. "Good afternoon, Walt. Happy Memorial Day! I saw you put boxes to POTUS room. Just FYI, and I will tell him as well, not sure how many he wants to take on Friday on the plane. We will not have a room for them. Plane will be full with luggage. Thank you." Nauta replied. "Good afternoon, ma'am," smiley face emoji, "thank you so much. I think he wanted to pick from them. I don't imagine him wanting to take the boxes. He told me to put them in the room and that he was going to talk to you about them." D. On June 1, 2022, beginning at 12:52 p.m., Nauta removed approximately 11 boxes from the storage room. 59. On June 1, 2022, Trump spoke with Trump Attorney 1 by phone and asked whether Trump Attorney 1 was coming to the Mar-a-Lago Club the next day and for exactly what purpose. Trump Attorney L reminded Trump that Trump Attorney 1 was going to review the boxes that had been transported from the White House and remained in storage at the Mar-a-Lago Club so that Trump Attorney I could have a custodian of records certify that the May 11th subpoena had been complied with fully. 23. 60. On June 2, 2022, the day that Trump Attorney 1 was scheduled to review Trump's boxes in the storage room, Trump spoke with Nauta on the phone at 9:29 a.m. for approximately 24 seconds. 61. Later that day, between 12:33 p.m. and 12:52 p.m., Nauta and an employee of the Mar-a-Lago Club moved approximately 30 boxes from Trump's residence to the storage room. 62. In sum, between May 23, 2022, and June 2, 2022, before Trump Attorney 1's review of Trump's boxes in the storage room, Nauta, at Trump's direction, moved approximately 64 boxes from the storage room to Trump's residence and brought to the storage room only approximately 30 boxes. Neither Trump nor Nauta informed Trump Attorney 1 of this information. The false certification to the FBI and the grand jury. The false certification to the FBI and the grand jury. 63. On the afternoon of June 2, 2022, as Trump had been informed, Trump Attorney 1 arrived at the Mar-a-Lago Club to review Trump's boxes to look for documents with classification markings in response to the May 11th subpoena. Trump met with Trump Attorney 1 before Trump Attorney 1 conducted the review. Nauta escorted Trump Attorney 1 to the storage room. Trump met with Trump Attorney 1 before Trump Attorney 1 conducted the review. Nauta escorted Trump Attorney I to the storage room. 64. Between 3:53 p.m. and 6:23 p.m., Trump Attorney 1 reviewed the contents of Trump's boxes in the storage room. 65. After Trump Attorney 1 finished sealing the red weld folder containing the documents with classification markings that he had found inside Trump's boxes, Nauta took Trump Attorney 1 to a dining room in the Mar-a-Lago Club to meet with Trump. After Trump Attorney I confirmed that he was finished with his search of the storage room, Trump asked, "Did you find anything? Is it bad? Good?" 66. Trump and Trump Attorney 1 then discussed what to do with the red weld folder containing documents with classification markings and whether Trump Attorney 1 should bring them to his hotel room. He made a funny motion as though, "Well, okay, why don't you take them with you to your hotel room, and if there's anything really bad in there, like, pluck it out." And that was the motion that he made. He didn't say that. 67. That evening, Trump Attorney 1 contacted the Department of Justice and requested that an FBI agent meet him at the Mar-a-Lago Club the next day, June 3, so that he could turn over the documents responsive to the May 11 subpoena. 68. Also that evening, Trump Attorney 1 contacted another Trump Attorney 3, and asked her if she would come to the Mar-a-Lago Club the next morning to act as a custodian of records and sign a certification regarding the search for documents with classification markings in response to the May 11 subpoena. Trump Attorney 3, who had no role in the review of Trump's boxes in the storage room, agreed. 69. The next day, on June 3, 2022, at Trump Attorney 1's request, Trump Attorney 3 signed a certification as the custodian of records for the office of Donald J. Trump and took it to the Mar-a-Lago Club to provide it to the Department of Justice and FBI. In the certification, Trump Attorney 3, who performed no search of Trump's boxes, had not reviewed the May 11 subpoena, and had not reviewed the contents of the red weld folder, stated, among other things, that, based upon the information that had been provided to her, A diligent search was conducted of the boxes that were moved from the White House to Florida. B. This search was conducted after receipt of the subpoena, in order to locate any and all documents that are responsive to the subpoena, and C. Any and all responsive documents accompany this certification. 70. These statements were false because, among other reasons, Trump had directed Nauta to move boxes before Trump Attorney 1's June 2 review. So that many boxes were not searched and many documents responsive to the May 11 subpoena could not be found, and in fact were not found, by Trump Attorney 1. 71. Shortly after Trump Attorney 3 executed the false certification, on June 3, 2022, Trump Attorney 1 and Trump Attorney 3 met at the Mar-a-Lago Club with personnel from the Department of Justice and FBI. Joined Trump Attorney 1 and Trump Attorney 3 for some of the meeting. Trump claimed to the Department of Justice and FBI that he was an open book. 72. Earlier that same day, Nauta and others loaded several of Trump's boxes along with other items on aircraft that flew Trump and his family north for the summer. The court authorized search of the Mar-a-Lago Club. 73. In July 2022, the FBI and grand jury obtained and reviewed surveillance video from the Mar-a-Lago Club showing the movement of boxes set forth above. 74. On August 8, 2022, the FBI executed a court-authorized search warrant at the Mar-a-Lago Club. The search warrant authorized the FBI to search for and seize, among other things, all documents with classification markings. 75. During the execution of the warrant at the Mar-a-Lago Club, the FBI seized 102 documents with classification markings in Trump's office and the storage room, as follows. Location: Trump's office. Number of documents: 27 classification markings, top secret, 6 secret, 18 confidential, 3. Location: storage room. Number of documents: 75 classification markings, top secret, 11 secret, 36 confidential, 28. Tomorrow Part 4. Counts 131 willful retention of national defense information, 18 U.S.C. Section 793E. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us. We trust you will come back soon.